Take that conversation forward, and we now have Rudramurthy BV, founder director Vanchana Investments, now joining us. Rudra, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. And just Snehi was pointing out about the kind of recovery that we have seen from the lowest point of the day, and we are absolutely flat at the moment. 24,840 is where the Nifty is trading. First up on the index level, both for Nifty and Bank Nifty, what will your technical analysis suggest?
Good afternoon and thanks for having me in the show. See, first of all, last week on Friday, we had this pattern of continuously falling top and falling bottom. And the last trading session, that was on October 1st, we saw a clear reversal in the pattern, and Nifty has now made a higher top, and even today making a higher top is very, very positive. So we are seeing that reversal signs on chart, and to be very specific on numbers, Nifty holds a key support now at 24,580. So this has been the low which markets saw on October 1st. So I will be a buyer in this market for sure, and now the result season holds the key. And for me, keep aside all the macroeconomic factors and even the global situation, and the Trump tariff has now become more or less a joke. And in fact, all the changes, whatever we are seeing now in terms of both macroeconomic wise as well as locally, what we are seeing, the push what we have seen from government in terms of GST cuts, and also RBI push in terms of liquidity, what we are seeing, they are all very, very positive for me. Finally, we have to remember share price is always a slave of earning. And if earnings are good and the commentary which is going to come out, if that is good, I am sure markets will bottom out. And even we have strong supports with recent close on Nifty at around the 24,300, 350. So unless 24,300 breaks, I will use all dips as a buying opportunity, and for a short-term trader have a stop loss of 24,580 on Nifty, and similar levels on Bank Nifty is at around 54,200, and every dip is a buying opportunity. In fact, Bank Nifty can relatively do better than Nifty, and for me sectors to focus will be metals. Definitely they are shining much better than even gold and silver, and also platform stocks, new age stocks, e-commerce related stocks, defense stocks, PSU banks. These are all sectors which will definitely outperform.
Okay, so that's the outlook coming in from the market. On the markets, very detailed analysis from you, Rudra. Thanks for that. But you did say that you're going to be a buyer in a market like this, and any dip is a good chance to buy. So where would you be doing all this buying, and what's looking good?
Sneh, already long time I have been recommending stock Nykaa from 180, 200 zone, and it has outperformed a lot. So in the same sector, I'm just trying to pick more stocks. In fact, Paytm is one stock from 800 rupees I'm recommending, available in F&O. Even at current market price, it's a great buy. Or for that matter, Eternal also looks very good. So Nykaa, Eternal, Paytm, these are all stocks from the same sector more or less, and I like all of them. And Indigo is one stock which can definitely outperform. Having seen the correction till levels closer to 5,500, I will be a buyer in Indigo, looking at targets of 6,000 to come with a stop loss of 5,500. And the second stock which I like will be Eternal. Eternal, every dip is a buying opportunity, available in F&O. Buy and keep rolling it over, hold it for a longer period, looking at initial targets of 360 and even eventually 400 to come. Keep a stop loss of 315. So a buy on Indigo and a buy on Eternal.
Buy on Indigo, buy on Eternal. Those are some stock-specific ideas coming in. Rudra, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us this afternoon and helping us understand how the market setup is looking like today. Thanks so much.